build a brand from scratch. I'm Jedrick Escueta. I'm 28 years old and we're gonna build a brand from scratch. Owner of the business printing that we have, the JKJ Printings. Check nyo yan, guys. So, yeah, let's proceed.
So why branding?
Branding, it started when I was young. Sobrang in love na talaga ako sa concept ng branding. Why? Because every time na meron akong suot na kahit ano, sapatos, shirts, or whatsoever na branded is, I feel like I belong to a community. I feel like tumataas yung confidence ko na humarap sa ibang tao. And that time, syempre, hindi naman kami mayaman. Hindi ako nanggaling sa mayamang family talaga, guys. So, I started the business na talagang from zero, from the ground. So, ngayon, at my recent, or at my present age, same pa rin, same old me na nagsasabi na I want to build a community. Once na naging successful ako, I want to build a brand. I want to build a community. Para makapag-build ka ng community, kailangan mo ng brand. I want to build a community wherein you can freely express yourself. So, siguro, yun yung naging pangarap ko. And since nga, yun nga, well, I don't have money when I was young. So, hindi ko pa siya kayang gawin, hindi ko pa siya kayang ma-attain. So, right now, let's see if I can execute it well. Whatever the plan is, marating man natin yung tuktok or siguro after ilang years pa, it doesn't matter. So, yeah, that's my plan.
What will be the concept of your brand?
The concept of my brand, the concept of my brand is streetwear, of course, and graphic tees, statement shirts, and fashion, content creation. So those are my concept na gagawin and ilalagay for this brand. And I want to innovate streetwear. So this is siguro malaking idea pero why not, di ba? Why not try? That's for me.
Why do they need to watch this vlog?
For those na manonood nitong vlog na to, this can be your guideline and also a documentation for me kung paano mag-start ng clothing brand from scratch. So, I will document everything starting from day one, starting from building a name, building a brand name, building a brand logo, the product research, the photo shoot, the product execution, the selling platforms, the website, and so on. So we will talk about this. So I think if you're gonna start a brand, may mapupulot ka. And if kung wala kang mapulot, that's okay.
Anong natutunan mo sa brand mo before?
I started a brand 4 years ago. Hindi ito yung first brand na ilalabas ko or gagawin ko. I started 4 years ago and it failed. Siguro sa failure na yon, sobrang dami kong natutunan. And I think hindi ako dadalihin ng panahon dito kung susuko ako sa pangarap ko before. And my dream is to have a brand, my dream is to have a community. So 4 years ago, I have a brand that's awakened. clothing. At that time, akala ko ganun-ganun lang magtayo ng brand. Akala ko pag may brand name ka, akala ko kapag may logo ka, kapag may design ka is meron ka ng brand. Pero the thing is, magkaiba ang pagkakaroon ng brand sa pagtatayo ng brand. So, creating a brand is easy. But building a brand is not easy. Because with building a brand, you're building a community. You're building people around your brand. You're building ideas. You're innovating everything. So those are the things na natutunan ko sa brand ko before. And I will try as much as possible na i-execute ng mas maayos and mas bibigyan natin ng focus at consistency yung brand natin. Another thing na natutunan ko sa pagtatayo ng brand is the consistency. If you're not consistent on doing what you like, and if you're doing it for money, then you will fail. That's the thing na nangyari sa akin before. 4 years ago, I started a brand and it failed. It's because of consistency. Syempre, we all know that the brand, when you're building a brand, I think the branding is the most hardest part of having a business. Kasi I can sell shirts, I can sell anything, but building a brand, it's different story. So, consistency, guys, I think that's the biggest, another big factor why mag-fail ang brand niya. So, be consistent. Make sure na once na gusto mong magpasok ng branding is you're not doing it for money. You must have a purpose. Why are you going to do this? So, those are the things na natutunan ko sa branding before. And right now, samahan niyo ako. Samahan niyo ako na itayo yung brand natin. Samahan niyo ako na matuto sa pagkakamali. Samahan niyo ako. There's no failure. There's just learnings. Okay? So, samahan niyo ako, guys. And I think that's it. See you on the next video. Thank you.